Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to use mobile data, then you just click here in this sign or this color, that like you see color it's gone, that's mean here use mobile data, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all. I wish you I get it, that's all. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.